Hello everyone, I welcome everyone to this new video. As you all know that we are covering SI-Excise syllabus, complete syllabus. Okay, so today we are going to cover physics. Okay, how to cover physics portion. As you all know that in SI-Excise examination, science subject constitutes 10 marks, right? And this science subject includes physics, chemistry, and biology. Chemistry and biology already I have discussed. Today I am going to discuss physics. Okay. Now, to understand what is the syllabus of physics, what are the important topics to study, what we need to do, we need to analyze previous year question. Okay. So as you all already know that I have already analyzed previous year question, and also I have uploaded the PDF in my previous videos. So let's see the previous year question analysis. Okay. See, in the previous year analysis, out of 10 question, science out of 10 question, 3 questions were from physics. Okay. And that 3 question was related to isotopes, temperature scale, and surface tension. Okay, so these 3 topics they have covered. Okay, now we need to understand one thing. As I already told in previous chemistry and biology video also, that for this 2 to 3 mark, studying rigorously 6 to 10 syllabus for chemistry, physics, or biology, whatever, it is not worth it. Okay, so for that we need to narrow down the syllabus. We need to identify the important topics which are important for our exam point of view. Now I will discuss important topics. Okay, but still, if you want to supplement your preparation, there can be other sources also. For example, you can always refer Lucents. Okay, you can follow Lucents, but Lucent is very vast compared to this 2 to 3 mark weightage of this examination. Okay, so very selectively you can study. You can refer PYQs of different TPSC examinations. Okay, and I have uploaded a PDF of previous year questions related to science of SSC PYQ related to science in my chemistry video. In the description you will get the link, so download that PDF. There are almost 700 to 800 questions of comprising chemistry, biology, and physics. Okay, so you can revise from there. Those are very important questions. Okay, and also that PDF is not mine. I have downloaded it from a telegram group. Okay, so let's go for physics important topics. Okay, important topics in physics. Okay, the important topics are all the SI units. Okay, SI unit, then different parameters of measurement. Okay, then topic wise if we go, then very important topic is waves. Okay, in wave you should know what is the difference between waves, wavelength, frequency. Okay, then you should know the formula for the same. Okay, then you should know bandwidth. It is very important because this topic is mm, very much in the news nowadays. Okay, for 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G things. Okay, network. The next topic you should go for is light. This is also very important topic. Okay, then in light, then spectrum, electromagnetic spectrum. In the electromagnetic spectrum you should know all the means um, um, what is the sequence, what is the ionizing radiation, gamma, x-ray, ultra-ray, etc. Okay, wavelength, nature, frequency, energy, increasing order, decreasing order, everything you should know. Okay, next you should know what are the different types of in the wave section. You should know what are the different types of waves. For example, what is the difference between radio waves, microwaves, infrawaves, ultraviolet, x-ray, gamma ray, all these things. Okay, you should know. After that, next topic, very important topic we go is optics, ray optics. In the ray optics you should know reflection. Okay, what is dispersion. Okay, Raman effect. Okay, Raman scattering. Next, total internal reflection. Okay, this is very important. In the examination they can ask directly from this question, and this is also PYQ. Like in the fiber, internet fiber, how, what is the technology they used to transfer the packets of data. So that is total internal reflection. Okay, then mirage, what is the concept of rainbow, twinkling of star. Okay, these are the things you should know. Okay, then you should know the concepts of mirror. Okay, so in the mirror you should know what is lateral inversion. Okay, spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, इसके बाद after that different types of lens. Okay, फिर then defection of vision, different types, myopia, and then its correction, hypermetropia, then its correction. Okay, etc. Then you should know electric current. Electric current. Okay, in the electric current you should know Ohm's law. Ohm's law, voltage, conductor, insulator, superconductor. Okay, etc. These are the very important topic you should know. Then you should know about little bit of dynamo. What is dynamo? What is motor? So dynamo, basically what does it do? It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, and what does motor do? Motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. These are very two different things, but they do the opposite work. Then you should know inverter. Basic thing about inverter. What is AC, DC, these things. Okay, and then you should know this much. Okay, and okay, these are the important topics you should know for physics. Now understand one thing. These topics, these topics are very vague in nature. I mean, what does I mean? I mean these are very conceptual things. If you know these concepts, then you can, while reading these things, you will come across different n number of things. Okay, so and these concepts, this specific knowledge of these particular topics will help you to solve many other questions which I have not mentioned here. Okay, so this is a basic standard syllabus of physics up to 10th level. This is basically 12th level. Okay, this is basically 12th level. So you should read these things. If you read these things, and in the examination there are chances that 60 to 70% that question may come from these topics, but still there are chances that question may not come from these topics. Okay, so that time you have to manage. Okay, because for 2 to 3 question you cannot read whole book 6 to 10 or 12 everything. No, it is not productive, it is not worth it. So this is it for physics. Okay, so in this way, for SI exercise I have covered everything. Okay, for example, essay writing, paragraph, report. Okay, also I have discussed some grammar portion. Then I have discussed some a science portion. Okay, and polity I have already discussed. Okay, polity I have discussed. The remaining things are reasoning, maths. Okay, and current affairs. So for current affairs I have advised you to read newspaper regularly. Okay, and still when there will be notice for examination, when they will give admit card, in that time, in that period, I will make separate videos, 2 to 3 videos for complete Tripura current affairs, northeast current affairs, as well as national and international current affairs. Okay, within this 3 video I will cover up to 1.5 year. Okay, of current affairs. So if you, so that time, in that situation particular time, I will make those videos. Okay, for the time being you read newspaper. And for reasoning and maths, okay, reasoning and maths, see, in the YouTube you have n number of channels, and they are very good teachers who are master of their things. Okay, now you will say, now you will say that in YouTube you will not go get every topic, okay, in one place, right? But do one thing. What you should do, you make a list. What are the topics that you want to study in reasoning and maths? Now how to understand what are the topics you should read? See, in this paper I have discussed. Okay, see, set theory, percentage, simple interest, relative speed. So these are the topics I have analyzed. Okay, and these are the subtopics. So you search these particular topics on YouTube. Okay, on YouTube, suppose percentage, you search percentage and you will get a playlist, and you go through that, all those videos of that particular playlist. After that, suppose you go to ratio. In this way you do one by one, and each and every topic will be covered. After that you will practice. Okay, for me, teaching reasoning and maths it's not worth it. It is very time consuming also, and also for me it is not possible to cover each and every topic of reasoning and maths, and for that already the contents are on YouTube only, so you just refer them. Okay, so in this way we are done for SI exercise. Okay, current affair part I will do before exam. So now as you all know that this JRBT exam, I think JRBT exam will take some more time. So I will not make videos for JRBT now. I will take some time. After that I will make videos for JRBT. Okay. Now I want to focus on TCS, TPS. Okay. So do let me know in the comment section. TCS, TPS related what kind of videos, what kind of content you want. Okay. You want me to cover. I'll talk about those topics. I'll cover those topics very extensively. Okay. So do let me know in the comment section. Okay. And also for SI exercise related also, in the if there is any thing or I want to convey to you people, then I will make videos. And also if you need anything related to SI exercise or any exam, anything, do let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you, guide you. Okay, thank you everyone.